I literally had $3 in my bank account for the last 12 days.
Machine malfunction tonight. A Port St. Lucie man says a Chase Bank ATM ate nearly $1,500 of cash he deposited earlier this month. And he says that left him with only $3 in his account for 2 weeks. Only on 5, Megan McRoberts looks into how this could have happened and how you can prevent it from happening to you. Megan?
Kelly, that Chase Bank customer tells me he has used this ATM machine you see behind me dozens of times to deposit cash, but he says the last time he did so, the machine malfunctioned. It took his cash, but it didn't deposit it into his account or give it back. He says only one thing helped him win his fight with the bank to prove he was missing money. Max Bennett is a handyman by day.
I've been taking handyman jobs to try to make ends meet.
So he doesn't always know when money is coming in.
Every penny counts.
But just when he landed a job worth thousands of dollars.
A big job, like the biggest job I've gotten.
He says his bank blew it. The job paid him a deposit to secure the work, so Max pulled up to this Chase Bank ATM along St. Lucie West Boulevard to deposit $1,500 cash.
It just sat there for a minute or two, making these funny noises with the little time clock.
The machine spit out a $50 bill, malfunctioned, and kept the rest.
It's the worst feeling to have the ATM just steal your money like that.
But the machine did give him a receipt with an 800 number to call for help. The bank said it could take up to 10 business days to investigate Max's claims and credit his account.
That's absolutely unacceptable.
Last week, he got an update.
There was no record of a transaction having occurred and that the ATM appeared to be balanced.
Max showed his receipt proving there should be an extra $1,450 in the ATM.
How do you have a balanced ledger when there's an overage for sure that I'm 100% positive of?
12 days later, Max got his cash back, and that ATM machine no longer takes cash deposits.
If I didn't have that receipt, I'm thinking they would just have told me, oh, you were never here. You're out of luck, buddy.
Now, Max says this mishap also likely damaged his credit, and he says he acquired late fees for bills he couldn't pay in time, which of course the bank is not going to help him with. So what can you do to prevent this? Well, Chase Bank says do as Max did, keep a receipt if a machine malfunctions and report it immediately. Respond to the bank immediately and report what happened. And if you can, exchange money in person with a bank teller. That's obviously preferred, and even in that case, keep a receipt. That's the latest here in Port St. Lucie. I'm Megan McRoberts, WPTV News Channel 5.